Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see. Go directly to sellers for better commissions. Hey guys and girls, don't forget to download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Let's review about Aosom.com. Aosom.com sells a variety of consumer products in a variety of industries. It's a one-stop shop of products to sell. I would rank it as a terrific addition to most affiliate portfolios. Wrap your head around this. The products that they sell are diverse and related terms are searched millions of times per month. The average sell on this site is around $259 and affiliates receive 12% per sell. By strategically using related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in spots with some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.